easy and delicious pan-seared chicken in coconut cream sauce. These are the ingredients and health benefits. First, we need crushed and chopped garlic. We also need chopped onions, sliced ginger, black ground pepper, and we need sliced button mushrooms. And this is what we need in marinating our chicken. We need chicken thigh fillet, salt and ground pepper. Garlic and onion powder is optional, but it makes the marinade more flavorful. We also need soy sauce, liquid seasoning, 1/2 cup chicken broth, and we will be using coconut cream in making this delicious and flavorful recipe. So let's start cooking. First, we need to put the chicken thigh fillet in a bowl and add all the marinade ingredients. Massage the chicken meat into the marinade to incorporate all flavors. Cover and put the marinade in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. And after that, we are ready to cook this delicious and flavorful recipe. In a low to medium heat, we will be putting at least 2 tablespoons of our cooking oil. And then, we will fry our sliced ginger and our crushed garlic. Remember not to burn the sliced ginger and garlic as we are only going to be needing it for flavor. Saute the mushrooms for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the button mushroom from the pan and saute onion and garlic. In sauteing onions and garlic, remember not to burn them. We only need a little browning in these 2 ingredients. This will add more flavor once we pan-seared our chicken. Pan-seared each side of the chicken for at least 3 minutes or until you see browning in the meat and chicken skin. Once both sides of the chicken are cooked, you are ready to add the mushrooms. At this point, we are ready to add our coconut cream. Instead of using the regular all-purpose cream, we are going to use the coconut cream for a different flavor and an elevated taste. Add salt and pepper. For a more thicker sauce, you may add 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch into the chicken stock or mushroom stock. Mix and add it into the pan. You may also add the ginger and garlic that we fried earlier. Let it simmer for at least 2 more minutes and it's ready to serve. Look at how flavorful this coconut cream sauce looks. Rich and creamy pan-seared chicken. I'm sure you'll love to try cooking for your family. Using coconut cream instead of the regular all-purpose cream simply makes this dish a lot more healthier and excitingly delicious. Don't we all cook to make our loved ones happy in every meal? As long as you cook it with love, all recipes come out great. Happy cooking, everyone!